finally out. Took the courage to go out. It's 46 degrees right now. Going towards Nizwa. I met with the fun mates in Alhambra, and Jewel jumped into my car, and all of us drove towards the direction of Jabal Shams, and we turned left on a junction towards Jabal Al Saraa. This place is called Jabal Al Saraa. It's a very peaceful, quiet, serene mountain place. Sun is setting, so preparing for the barbecue and for the dinner for tonight. Jewel, good job! Everyone was busy that evening, preparing for the food, the barbecue, the salad, and another dish, which is a crab that was cooked in coconut milk, was also served during the dinner. Everyone was tired that evening, and they are eagerly waiting for the food, so everyone was making pa-cute or making cute faces and a lot of gestures and monkey faces as well. It was a sumptuous dinner with chicken barbecue, beef barbecue, lamb chops, and mango salad. Today is a good morning sunshine. It's time to dismantle the tent, prepare for breakfast. The team has prepared for fried egg, scrambled and sunny side up, coffee, and also sliced bread was there, canned beans, and of course kubus, which is the Arabic bread. We filled our tummies before driving back to Muscat, as it will be approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes or maximum 3 hours. It was indeed a rewarding, fun-filled, well-spent weekend, once again reconnected with nature.